This honey lavender biscotti recipe is based on the flavors of a popular Provençal ice cream. Learn how to make it with this video, brought to you by recipes.net. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, sift together the all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Then, whisk to combine. In another bowl, add the eggs and granulated sugar, then whisk to combine. Add in the honey, vanilla extract, orange zest, and dried lavender blossoms. Whisk to combine. Pour over the dry ingredients, then fold to combine. Halve the dough, then grease a baking sheet with oil and line with parchment paper. Place the half dough 3 inches apart and quickly stretch each portion into a rough 13 by 2 inch log. Pat to smoothen, then bake for 35 minutes until the logs are golden and just beginning to crack on top. Cool the logs for 10 minutes and lower the oven temperature to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut each log diagonally into 3/8 inch slices, then place on a cookie sheet about a ½ inch apart. Bake for another 15 minutes, turning each slice over halfway through baking. Bake until crisp and golden brown on both sides. Serve and enjoy! Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.